Arms are one of the number one things my clients are insecure about or that they want me to fix in their photos. And most photographers make this worse by telling clients, just relax. Here's what actually helps. We are going to be mindful of their insecurities. We're going to respect their insecurities. But as boudoir photographers, we also want to try to push our clients to see their bodies in a more neutral or maybe even positive way. And I'm going to jump into a couple of ideas to help you do that. I have put a bodysuit on from the studio wardrobe so that you can see my arms and we can walk through some posing ideas together. If you have a client who's insecure about their arms, there's kind of three things I want you to think about. We will get some poses then that don't show their arms at all. We'll get some poses where their arms are being photographed, but they're not the main focus of the photograph. And then maybe at the very end of the session, you can worry less about that, focus on other things. And hey, if their arms are photographed, their arms are photographed. By the end of the session, your client is going to be feeling pretty good about themselves, and they may be more open to seeing their arms. So when we're talking posing, starting with pictures maybe of booty or detail shots of chest, detail shots of face, even if their hands are in it, but it's cropped so their arms are not, that's sort of a great jumping off place, because if your client is insecure about their arms, then we're not photographing their arms at all. Now, of course, we do want to photograph all of their body. That's where we're going to move into pose 2, where yes, their arms are being photographed, but they're not the main feature. They're not the main part. So let me show you what I mean by that. If we have a client and they're standing like this and you tell them, okay, just relax, maybe they'll drop their shoulders and that's about all they're going to do. They're not going to know what to do next. So I'm always looking for triangles. So in that case, I'd have my client place their hands at their rib cage, drop their shoulders, and now we've got nice triangles. But this might still be too much arm for a client who is really struggling with that form of self-acceptance. So what we're going to do is have them take their shoulders, move their shoulders back, move their elbows back as well. And what this is doing is also opening up the chest and pushing their chest towards the camera. So yes, their arms are in the photograph, but we went from here to here. Obviously, it's less about their arms now and entirely about their chest. So that's something to think about when you are posing your clients. If we keep things pushed away from the camera, they will appear smaller. They will be less of a focal point. They're more in the background and less important to look at from the viewer's perspective. So that might be something that your client is more open to. Another thing we can think about is keeping arms away from the body. Again, I'm always looking for triangles. This is not terribly engaging, and from the side, not everybody loves this view. So what we want to try to do is keep arms away from the body. Going up into the hair is really great. Asking your client to shampoo their hair is really great because it's also keeping our muscles a little bit engaged, right? So this might be a great option as well if we're looking for poses where, yeah, the arms are there, but it's not necessarily about the arms, or I'm trying to kind of keep them away from your body so they, are less of a zoom in spot, less of a hyper focusing spot, if that makes sense. So we're going to keep arms away from body, and we're going to keep arms pushed back away from the camera whenever we can. And at the end of your session, maybe you do get some photos where client arms are close to their body and they're holding onto their chest or something like that. I think you should throw a few of those in. Who knows? Maybe at that point they'll see their arms and they'll think, oh, I've been so much crueler to myself than I needed to be. But again, I think being mindful of where they're at in their self-love journey is really important when you are photographing them. And we want them just to go a little bit outside of their comfort zone so that they can learn and grow. And honestly, showing off any part of their arms might already be pretty far outside of their comfort zone. Something else you can do to help your clients with their arm insecurities is put them in a robe or put them in something long sleeved. Maybe your client has HS and they have welts and sores in their armpits. Maybe they've got skin tags. Maybe they have scars. I just photographed someone who was almost by an ex, and she had a ton of scar damage on her arm from that. So we were respectful of that, did still photograph it, but for most of her session, she was in something long sleeved or something glamorous and extra, like a robe, covering up, but not necessarily trying to 100% hide something that someone is insecure about, is a great jumping off point. Again, they don't need to do the entire session this covered, but if they are just getting into their photo shoot, this is a pretty nice and safe area of comfort. And remember, your clients are vulnerable and they're kind of nervous and they're scared. So we want them to feel comfortable when they're starting their session. So throw them in something long sleeved. I mean, come on. Who wouldn't want to wear something like this, right? It's fun too. And my final piece of advice, let your clients know you are their hype person. Please let them know that they're doing a good job. They look amazing. They look beautiful, that they look strong, that they look confident. Be the hype person, okay? Do not say, oh, just relax. That's not going to cut it. You need to let them know that they're doing a good job. Show them images on the back of the camera if you can. And just please be there for them, because this is terrifying. It's a big deal to put all of your vulnerabilities and your insecurities just out there for someone. So be their hype person, okay? So with some posing where we don't photograph their arms, we minimize their arms, and then maybe even we fully photograph their arms, we dress them in wardrobe that is going to make them feel the most comfortable, especially as we build their confidence during their session. And if we are their own personal cheerleader, your client, even if they're struggling with an arm insecurity, is going to feel so good at the end of their session. And at the end of the day, that is what Boudoir is all about. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you think I should have added to this. And also let me know if you would photograph in this robe. How would you not? It's so fun. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that the algorithm keeps bringing you back. I put out new videos every single Saturday about boudoir, photography, education, self-love, goodness, all that jazz. Remember that your body is a good body, and I will see you all again later. Bye.